Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device and OS support fingerprint authentication and that a trusted fingerprint is enrolled. This prevents later failures. Next, make sure biometrics are enabled for payments in system settings and the app. Once done, open the Purchases screen and select the fingerprint verification option so the app requests biometric permission. You do this now to capture all necessary system prompts. It ensures the app can access the sensor and that policy and consent steps are complete. You now configure the app-level settings and tie the payment method to biometric verification so the process is seamless. Go to System Privacy, grant biometric permission for the app, then in App, select the saved card and enable fingerprint as the confirmation method. After configuration, initiate a low-value test purchase to exercise the full flow. This reveals UI prompts and sensor timing. If the sensor times out, adjust timeout or re-enroll fingerprint. Testing here prevents false declines during real transactions. You finish by confirming both client and server recognize the purchase. Verify the receipt and server-side token validation to make sure the fingerprint assertion mapped to a valid payment. Once complete, record any failed attempts and sensor error codes to help diagnose timing or permission issues. If problems persist, re-enroll the fingerprint on the device, clear the app cache, and repeat the test purchase. This often resolves stale credential or permission caches that block verification. One key tip: capture logs immediately when an error occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.